The Prokletije National Park is one of the wildest mountain regions in Europe, shaped by sharp peaks and deep glacial valleys. Beneath the rocky ridges, untouched forests and clear mountain streams guide the path of every traveler. The Three Peaks Ridge, stretching across Volušnica, Popadija, and Talijanka, offers some of the most impressive vistas in Prokletije. From these exposed viewpoints, the landscape opens toward the highest and most dramatic peaks of the range, dominated by the sharp limestone towers of the Kranfili Massif. Below them, deep glacial valleys unfold in every direction, revealing the vast, remote character that makes this mountain group one of the last true wilderness areas of the Balkans.